to my channel. I just wanted to share with y'all what is new in my Etsy shop. So, 2 cupcake doilies. Completely different. Alright, let's start off with this one. This is some vintagey goodness. Okay, before we get on with that, let's look at the dangle. I have this tied on with this piece, which is a little different than what I normally do, but is still removable. I just want to do something a little bit different. And I have this jump ring lined with a different material than I normally do, and it's sparkly. I like it. Okay, we got a boho dangle here with a bunch of antique lace and a bunch of bead dangles that I've made, and these are actually antique beads that I found in an antique shop. I thought they were really pretty and perfect for this cupcake doily. Okay, so in the front we have like a rose cameo like piece with a bunch of bling on it. I love it. And look at those feathers, so pretty. And we've got a heart theme going here. I just love those heart doilies. Tons of doilies tucked, poking out. Just so pretty. Look at those bead dangles. I did not put a bunch of dangles here on the front because I just kind of wanted this to stand out. Okay, here, this is actually one of my prints that you can find in my shop. Every one of these children, you can find the print in my shop. So we've got some applique, collaging, and you know what? These prints here you can find in my shop. And just a bunch of collaging, appliques, sparklies, pearls, and just stuffed absolutely everywhere. I love those pink sequins clustered together. So pretty. More collaging. More tuckings, more vintagey, creamy, neutral, light pink goodness. How cute is that little bow? I made that out of a piece of scrap fabric that I had and put that beautiful rhinestone in the middle of that and another scrap piece. I love that image. It's so pretty. And the most dainty lace tucked in here. And just tons of doilies, fabrics, dangles. I don't know if y'all can see the sparkle off those beads, but it is sparkle, sparkle. And she's just precious, precious. One of my all-time favorite children's images, that one. It's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Pink metallic applique with beading, pearls, and a piece of bling rhinestone in the middle from Crafty Me Shop here. More collaging, just tons of tucking. I mean, look at that. And then we've got some silk flower petals up underneath here that match the whole theme. And I love it. And there we go, y'all, the piece. It really is. It really, really is. I remember wondering what I was going to put on the back of this, and I thought, why not that butterfly, you know, that you have in your applique bag? And I thought, no, it's probably not going to look right. And you know, that other part of me, just try it, just see, just try it. I put it back there, and yes. That is it. That is it. Oh, I love it. I love it. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. This is a wedding inspired cupcake doily. Of course, you don't have to be having a wedding, or it doesn't have to be a wedding gift or a bridesmaid's gift, but it would be perfect for that. It would be. But honestly, I really considered keeping this one. I'm not getting married. I'm already married. Just because it's just so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, so jump ring first. It's just wrapped in white fabric. Got my silver heart lobster claw here. And look at that. It's just the cutest little bow. I don't know, it's just a little bow. It's not a huge deal, but it's just so cute. And I've done a bunch of beading here. Some crushed up glass bead, and it's just so pretty, so sparkly. And I don't know if y'all can see, but in various places on this dangle, I've got pink rhinestones attached. I think there's 6 or 7 of them. But I mean, just right away, it's breathtaking. It really, really, really is. And I wanted this to feel like extravagance in a cupcake doily. All right, so the front, I made a really, really fluffy white sparkly flower. And I put in that a beaded bow. It's a bow made out of beads. I thought it was just perfect for that. I had no idea I was going to use it for a wedding cupcake journal, but it fit perfectly. I've got some of that wedding veil here. I've used an actual wedding veil piece in the flower, and it's super fluffy. And I filled it in with wedding bouquet silk flowers. And it's seriously, y'all looking at this, it just makes me want to squee and squeal. I love it. Love it. Y'all, there's a pretty little neutral dangle. Got some pink here because, and some ivory silk flowers with pearls. I love this. Love it. All right. So you flip it, and I've used my prints as the background that you can find on my Etsy page, along with the main prints being from Old Dulcina's Etsy shop. So we have these prints, a bunch of appliques from my romantic pink pages. I shrunk the images really far down and then punched out some hearts and then overlaid them with glamour dust. And we just have a bunch of tucks. One of my images peeking out here. Just have a bunch of tucks lined with lace. Here, another one of Old Dulcina's prints. Another silk wedding flower with pearls. That delicate lace that, I don't know what I'm going to do when I run out, y'all. I need to always have that in stock. I love it. More silk flowers peeking out. Some beading here peeking out and under. Can y'all see that under there? Sometimes, you know, I know that people just getting into this, they're so fearful of covering things up. But that is so beautiful. Why would you cover it up? Because for one, it gives whatever you're working on depth. Layers give depth. And then just to have something slightly peeking out, in my opinion, just adds character, draws more interest. Go ahead and cover it up. It's okay. Use it and cover it up. And if you want to, like I've done here, leave just a little tiny hint peeking out here. And then through the cracks, you can see that little tiny bit of pink and shimmer. And I think it is just beautiful. We've got more dangles here. And I'm in love with these dangles. It's new to me. And got an applique stuffed in up here. Rose's applique. Next page. Oh, that's so pretty. It's so pretty. Another one of my prints glazed with glamour dust here and here. And I've lined the image with lace, as you can see, just tons of lace, sparkly pearled appliques. It's just gorgeousness. And see, now on this page, you get a little more of the hint of the pink. It's different than if I were to flip it. It's different. Just as pretty, just different. And here, that beautiful pink dress. Got some pink appliques here and here, and a gorgeous sparkly pink rhinestones over this glamour dusted heart. I did add a few blue elements throughout, y'all, and I meant to show that as I was going along. Just a few scattered out for that something blue. I just thought that was sweet and special. And those are my images as well, the blue kit that you can find on my Etsy page. I've got some pearls hanging out here, some more silk flowers and doilies, some more of those beads hanging here, here. It's really too much to point out everything. And then the back, a really big, beautiful pearl-lined silk rose. And underneath that silk rose, a pearled applique and this dainty piece of lace. And I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I might have to make me one at least similar. I do absolutely love it. Anyway, y'all, both of these you can find them in my Etsy shop. I will leave that link in the description. And y'all, thanks for watching, and I hope that y'all have a wonderful day. See y'all soon.